Acrylic shade diffusers are a nice accessory to any fabric shade. To measure your shade for an acrylic diffuser, simply measure the outside edge of your shade. And then you want a corresponding shade diffuser that is smaller than your shade. It needs to fit inside the perimeter of your shade. In this instance, my shade measures 13 inches on the top. This diffuser measures 11.5 inches, so it will fit. What you don't want is a shade diffuser that fits over the lip. Shade diffusers manufactured by B&P Lamp Supply come in sizes from 7.5 inches to 17.5 inches. These two still have the paper wrapping. This is the smallest size at 7.5 inches. Each diffuser has a center hole that measures approximately 3/8 of an inch, just under half an inch. That corresponds with a washer fitter in the middle of a shade. Diffusers can be used for standard harps and finials with a 1/4-27 thread, or larger cluster style sockets with a 1/8 IP style thread. To install a diffuser, simply unscrew the finial from your shade. Put the diffuser on top of the shade and screw the finial back on.